Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with a brand new Milwaukee Monday. Today I wanted to showcase to you Milwaukee's M18 fuel compact router. This thing is a brushless motor with a 5 amp hour battery. This thing is supposed to do 250 linear feet with a 3/16 roundover, so it's got plenty of capacity to do whatever cuts you need at the job site. Variable speed dial goes from 10,000 to 3,100 RPMs. Got your adjustment lever there. And so that way you can dial in whatever depth you need on it. So let's crank her up and see how it runs. Safety first. We'll knock this down to 1 on the speed and then crank it up. So there it is on a low setting, and then we'll go to about 4 since we're doing a roundover on pine. And let's see how it operates. And there you have it. Really nice, clean roundover with this thing. Plenty of battery life on this router. We got this in stock at Heartland in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton. If you want to stop by and look at it, it's here. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos here on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we post a new video on our YouTube channel. And also just comment down below and let us know which tools you want us to do for Milwaukee Monday. I just kind of choose random ones as I go, so if you want to see something special on our channel, just comment and let me know, and then we'll see you next time on our new Milwaukee Mondays.